Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z and numbers 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10. Let's learn colors name. Red color, violet color, orange color, black color, pink color, green color, brown color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, green color and yellow color. Violet color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. Letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. This is letter F. G. Kids, this is letter H. Letter I. Orange color. J. Pink color. Letter K. L. This is letter M. Kids, we are tracing letter N. O. Kids, we are tracing letter P. This is letter Q. Kids, we are tracing letter R. Red color. S. Blue color. Letter T. This is letter U. Kids, we are tracing letter V. This is letter W. X. Kids, we are tracing letter Y. This is letter Z. Purple color. 1, 2, 3. Black color. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.